Model, 2017 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 435L3H2 130. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 215,396. MOT, the 7th of February 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a lot more cranks to start than average. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Check engine light on the dash. When running engine sounds good, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van.